Welcome, or unwelcome, agreeable, or disagreeable, whether this shall be an entire slave nation, is the issue before us. May 18, 1858 fragment of a speech. Our government rests in public opinion. Whoever can change public opinion, can change the government, practically just so much. December 10, 1856 speech at Chicago. Always bear in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other one thing. November 5, 1855. I expect to maintain this contest until successful, or till I die, or am conquered, or my term expires, or Congress or the country forsakes me. June 28, 1862. I leave you, hoping that the lamp of liberty will burn in your bosoms until there shall no longer be a doubt that all men are created free and equal. July 10, 1858 speech at Chicago, Illinois.